First thing you need to understand, the truth I wanted to convey to all of you through this example, if you break your immediate bondage, the vasana, listen, the immediate bondage, the vasana, suddenly you will see the whole ocean of powers opens in front of you. I am giving you one example. People always have this vasana of, how can I get up in the early morning and do yoga? Everyone visualizes themselves with a yogic, slim, lean, powerful, energetic, six-pack body. Everyone fantasizes about themselves. But only when 3:30 alarm goes on, all the vasanas will wake up. You don't wake up when the 3:30 alarm goes on. Vasanas wakes up. Why not just today? Today is, after all, one day after Shivaratri. Listen, everybody goes on fantasizing a yogic body. But morning 3:30 when the alarm goes on, everybody wants to be a rogi. No, I am feeling sick. See, I am having little throat ache. And I think my back has a pain. Understand? Just to escape from yoga, you make yourself a rogi. That is what I call self-blackmailing. And after 3-4 times, actually itself you will start having back pain. And saying, no. Finally what happened? What is your reality, the reality you want to cause, and what path you are traveling? Completely opposite. And the good news is, even if you break that one vasana, that morning, when you try to wake up, the vasanas which comes up, if you complete just with those vasanas, not only you will do yoga and you will have a healthy body, please understand, that will break the whole tamasic nature of your life. Means that whole postponing, inertia patterns of life. Most of the time, postponing works against the reality you want to cause. It is like somebody has a cancer and doctors suggest they have to do the surgery within 1 month and they have to make decision. Like this, one person came to me. I asked, you say doctor says you have to decide within a month. What have you decided? The person says very unconsciously, no, I have not yet decided, I am postponing. I said, already 1 month is over, some decision you have to take. No, I am postponing. Then I told that person, at least be very clear. Don't say you are postponing, you are deciding not to decide. The disease is not going to wait till you give your order. Every day you postpone the decision, don't use the sweet word postponing. Use the right word, I am deciding not to decide. Understand? Many times you are postponing is the automatic decision of opposite direction. But you take postponing in a very light way. I'm just postponing. What do you mean? By the act of postponing, you are traveling completely in the opposite direction of the reality you want to cause. Then it is not postponing, it is working in the opposite direction of the reality you want to cause. The reality you want to cause is you want to get rid of the cancer and live healthily, happily. But the postponing is doing complete opposite side action. What is the postponing is going to do? Make the disease worse and kill you. And you think postponing is not an action. No. Understand, postponing is an action. First thing all of you need to understand, postponing is not inaction, it is a negative action. Postponing is not inaction, it is unaction. Understand? There is a difference between inaction and unaction. Action, opposite is unaction. Postponing is not inaction, it is unaction. Postponing is not neutral, it is working in the wrong direction. I have seen people suffering with the cancer of vasana. I can say in a way vasana is not even cancer. Samskaras can be compared to cancer, vasana should be compared to herpes 2, which boils your body all the time. All the Navadwaras are burning. Suffering. And anybody comes near you, you give that suffering. Vasana. Vasana is literally like herpes 2, contagious, heavily torturous. Herpes 2 makes you lose your mind and makes you schizophrenia. The recent research papers, I was studying the internet, some of the articles and research papers. When you are under the attack, you lose the mind and you don't know what you do. You become schizophrenia. It was such a torturous disease. Vasana is like that. Vasana is exactly like that. You will be functioning completely in the opposite direction of the reality you want to cause. You always imagine a very loving relationship with your father.